Namaskar friends, I am Dr. Sahaj Shah, follower, disciple of the legendary master healer Dr. Pankaj Naram. Friends, today I am here with the second part of our Healthy Eyes and Healthy Vision video. These secrets come from my master and the legacy runs back to Jivaka, Lord Buddha's personal physician. In the last video, we learned about some home remedies and food changes and dietary changes. But today, we are here to learn the Marma therapies and some lifestyle adaptations that can improve our vision and the condition of the eyes. Also friends, there are many remedies and herbal medications that can help. But to understand that what suits you better, you can contact us so that we can guide you better. Also stay tuned till the last because today I am going to share with you the correlation of these remedies, these therapies and other health concerns also. So that some changes, some Marma therapies and some lifestyle adaptation can help in so many things. So to start with, the first therapy that I'm going to share with you and show you today is application of cow's ghee in the eyelids. Yes friends, see this. I'm taking some cow's ghee, slightly warmed and cooled at room temperature, taking at the tip of my index finger and applying at the lower eyelid. And just blinking my eyes for 3-4 times or 5-6 times. And see, this helps to naturally lubricate the eyes and gives a natural coolant effect. The most important thing is that this ghee should be fresh or maximum 1 month old. And always remember, whenever you want to use the cow's ghee for such therapies, you keep the ghee separate from what you use in your cooking. Okay, now coming to the second part, like due to excessive exposure to the screens and videos and to the other pollution, we get a lot of headache and the temple bones and the crown part of our head gets warm. So what to do? Again, take the cow's ghee on the tip and apply at the temple bones. 6 rotations. 3, 4, 5, 6 and press. And the remaining ghee apply here at the crown part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and press. Again, the benefit is this nourishes the whole brain, the central nervous system, which is very much important. Due to excessive pitta and vata, there is a lot of malnourishment and the chemical imbalance which leads to lot of dryness in the brain and fogging in the brain. Okay friends, now coming to the Marma therapy. Dr. Naram has advised this Marma therapy to thousands and thousands of people and which has actually helped. Marma points are those points which actually activate the energy of that particular organ or the part of the body. So how to do this wonderful Marma for healthy eyes? With the help of your index fingers, press these 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slightly gently rub your palm and keep it over your eyes. Do this Marma practice, the therapy, at least 6 to 8 times a day or whenever possible. You can do it anywhere, sitting anytime at any place. Wonderful, isn't it? Also, how to relax the muscles near your orbital cavity. With the help of these 2 fingers, slowly, gently pull your fingers from the upper part to the lower part of the eyes like this and go anti-clockwise. If you want, you can use some of the cow's ghee also, that will give you an easy flow of the hands. Now coming to the next remedy, lifestyle adaptation or the therapy that directly comes from the ancient texts which have helped really many people. What is that? Application of cow's ghee on soles of the feet. Yes, there is a direct relation that the ancient text says that application of cow's ghee on the soles of the feet directly nourishes your eyes. Well, it's really hard to believe, but it really helps. So why not try this harmless remedy that can actually benefit, and it has benefited many of them who have tried that. Also friends, in the beginning I told you that I'm going to share a very simple and direct correlation of these remedies to many other health challenges. Nowadays, especially because of the lockdown, being at home and sudden lifestyle change, the stress, the anxiety has increased. But you know what? Because of the work pattern and because of the stressed eyes, also similar symptoms can be experienced. Yes, tired eyes, dried eyes, or you can say very much lazy eyes can mimic similar symptoms of headache, stress, anxiety, depression, and many more. Well, they are not actually that mental conditions or mental challenges, but we feel that. Also, the disturbed bowel. Indigestion always gives you a tiredness experience. Again, you will feel that you are having stress, anxiety, depression, but no, it's not so. And due to long hours of keeping away yourself from the food or fasting, again damages the eyesight. So, what is this, friends? These things are helpful in the conditions of your so-called stress, anxiety, depression, or mental health. Or just you can say just to calm yourself also you can use these remedies. Again I'll repeat that there are many other formulation, the herbal tablets that we can advise you. To know more about it, connect to us on the WhatsApp number given below or on our email ID that we have mentioned. We will let you know that which tablet is helpful to you and in which combination for a wonderful healthy vision and healthy eyesight and strong eyes. So friends, I hope you like these remedies and these Marma therapies and the lifestyle adaptation as suggested and demonstrated to you today. Apply them in your life and see the wonderful changes that you can have and experience with your vision and your eyes. Also, we are always there with you. Dr. Naram's blessings are always with all of us to have a healthy life. Love you all. Namaskar.